Guys, this is my iPhone 17 base model, 56 GB, starting with this is the device. As you can see, looks like iPhone 16, but many new features are added, like in the screen they have added 120 hertz refresh time, this refresh rate, sorry, this time. Almost all pro features except the telephoto camera. This is the USB Type C to Type C charger. This phone supports up to 40 watt of charging. Nothing else in the box. This is only SIM model. There is no physical SIM. You can see this is Type C to Type C. No lightning cable. Then we have a device here. Two camera setup, both 48 megapixel main camera and the ultra wide. As you can see, there is no SIM tray. So this is only SIM model. Both are eSIMs. Let's unwrap the phone. Nice. Let's boot it for the first time. Yes, here we go. I bought it in Saudi Arabia from Amazon for 3,300 Saudi riyals. It says hello in all the different languages. Okay, guys. See